Welcome back to AS Motor Zone. What if I told you this massive Scania motorhome could make even a 5-star luxury hotel feel ordinary? From its commanding truck-inspired design to what could be one of the most luxurious mobile living spaces ever imagined, this incredible machine is packed with premium details that will leave you speechless. And trust me, the most incredible feature is still coming, so stay with us until the end. Today, we're taking an exclusive tour of this stunning Scania luxury motorhome. And right from the first glance, it's clear this isn't your average RV, built on what appears to be a heavy-duty Scania truck platform. This luxury home on wheels combines the rugged capability of a commercial truck with the elegance and comfort of a luxury penthouse. While not every specification is visible from the exterior, the craftsmanship alone tells us this motorhome was designed for people who refuse to compromise on comfort while exploring the world. The first thing that immediately grabs your attention is its breathtaking metallic royal blue finish. The deep glossy paint reflects every light around it, giving the entire vehicle a premium appearance that looks more like a luxury yacht than a traditional motorhome. Running across the body are elegant white accent graphics that break up the long profile while adding a sporty and sophisticated touch. But that's just the beginning. The sheer size of this motorhome is absolutely incredible. Based on what we can confidently observe, this is an extra-long luxury expedition motorhome with multiple axles supporting its enormous weight. The extended body provides generous living space inside, while maintaining impressive road presence. Everywhere you look, the proportions scream exclusivity. Moving toward the front, the aggressive Scania grille instantly becomes the centerpiece. The bold black grille with chrome accents gives this motorhome a commanding personality, while the oversized Scania badge proudly announces its premium heritage. Modern LED headlights create a sharp futuristic appearance, and above the windshield, multiple roof-mounted auxiliary lights suggest this vehicle is ready for long-distance adventures in almost any environment. Take a closer look at the windshield and side mirrors. The oversized mirrors provide excellent visibility for such a large vehicle, while the expansive front windshield promises outstanding panoramic views during every road trip. From this angle, the truck-inspired cabin blends beautifully into the custom-built motorhome body, creating one seamless luxury design. As we move along the side, you'll notice multiple dark-tinted windows positioned throughout the living area. These not only provide privacy, but also enhance the sleek appearance of the motorhome. Integrated storage compartments line the lower body, making excellent use of every inch of space, while keeping the exterior clean and organized. Wait until you notice the wheels. This luxury Scania rides on multiple polished chrome wheels spread across 5 axles, giving it remarkable stability and a truly commanding stance. The polished finish perfectly complements the metallic blue body, creating a premium appearance worthy of a luxury flagship. Now imagine stepping inside. While the interior isn't visible in this image, modern luxury motorhomes of this class typically feature exceptionally refined living spaces. And it's reasonable to expect something equally spectacular here. The driver cabin would likely feel more like the cockpit of a luxury executive truck than a commercial vehicle. Premium leather captain's seats, a fully digital instrument cluster, a large infotainment display, multifunction steering wheel, ambient lighting, and premium soft-touch materials would surround the driver, making every mile enjoyable. But that's only the beginning of the luxury experience. Behind the cockpit, it's reasonable to imagine a beautifully designed lounge area featuring 2 premium sofas facing each other with a stylish dining table placed between them. This type of layout creates a welcoming social space where family and friends can relax, enjoy meals, work remotely, or simply admire the view after a long day on the road. Connected to the lounge would likely be a compact but highly functional luxury kitchen. Premium motorhomes in this category often include a modern sink, induction cooktop, microwave, refrigerator, elegant cabinetry, generous storage, and high-quality countertops. Every inch is carefully designed to maximize both beauty and practicality. The most incredible feature is still coming. Further, toward the rear, we can reasonably expect a comfortable bedroom designed specifically for motorhome living rather than resembling a traditional residential bedroom. A premium queen-size bed, overhead storage cabinets, integrated wardrobes, soft LED lighting, and warm wood finishes would create a cozy yet luxurious retreat after a full day of travel. Nearby, a compact luxury bathroom would likely include a modern toilet, space-saving vanity, elegant sink, illuminated mirror, and a small enclosed shower. Unlike a house bathroom, every element would be carefully engineered to maximize comfort within a compact footprint without sacrificing premium quality. Entertainment would almost certainly play a major role throughout the cabin. Large smart TVs, premium surround sound, wireless connectivity, USB charging stations, climate control, and intelligent lighting systems are common features in luxury motorhomes of this level. Smart automation could allow owners to control lighting, temperature, security, and entertainment directly from a touchscreen or smartphone. Now let's talk about what powers a machine like this. While we can't confirm the exact specifications from the image alone, a Scania-based luxury motorhome would most likely be equipped with a powerful diesel engine designed for heavy-duty long-distance travel. Smooth highway cruising, confident mountain performance, and impressive towing capability would be expected from a platform of this caliber. Modern driver assistance technologies, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, collision warning systems, multiple cameras, electronic stability control, and advanced braking systems would likely provide additional confidence behind the wheel. For extended adventures, luxury expedition motorhomes often feature large fresh water tanks, powerful battery banks, solar panels, inverters, generators, and advanced off-grid systems. While these features aren't visible here, they would be reasonable expectations for a premium build designed for extended travel. Now imagine waking up beside a peaceful mountain lake, preparing breakfast in your own luxury kitchen, relaxing in your private lounge while enjoying panoramic views, and ending the day under a sky full of stars, all without booking a hotel. That's the kind of lifestyle a motorhome like this makes possible. It's more than transportation. It's complete freedom wrapped in luxury. As for pricing, since this appears to be a highly customized premium Scania conversion, an estimated price could realistically range anywhere between $1.2 million and $2.5 million. Depending on the interior specifications, technology, and level of customization. This type of vehicle is designed for luxury travelers, business executives, celebrities, full-time RV enthusiasts, and anyone seeking the ultimate combination of comfort, prestige, and adventure. And honestly, it's hard not to be impressed. From its striking royal blue exterior and commanding road presence to the luxury lifestyle it promises inside, this Scania motorhome truly represents the future of premium travel. If you enjoyed this exclusive luxury tour, make sure to like this video, subscribe to AS Motorzone, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next luxury motorhome, RV, or supercar showcase. And before you go, tell us in the comments, would you choose this incredible Scania motorhome for your dream road trip? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.